How to turn off offers notification on Grubhub. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off those annoying offers notifications on Grubhub app on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Grubhub app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your account section. Now from here, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as push notifications. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the push notification section, you can see the option labeled as offers. So simply toggle off that options and that's it. Now you will stop receiving exclusive discounts and promotions notification from your Grubhub app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.